Is the screen recording button missing on your iPhone? Here's how to add it back fast. First, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. If you don't see the screen recording icon, tap the plus icon at the top. Now, tap Add a Control. In the search bar, type Screen Recording or scroll until you find it. Tap it once. That's it. It's now added to your Control Center. Tap Anywhere to exit. Now, you can tap the record icon anytime to start recording your screen. Quick tip: if you want to record with your microphone, press and hold the screen recording button. Then, tap Microphone On before starting the recording. Now, if you're using an older iOS version like iOS 17, the steps are slightly different. Open Settings. Tap Control Center. Scroll down until you find Screen Recording. Tap the green plus icon next to it. It will now appear in your Control Center. And that's it. Your screen recording button is back. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.